Hello, everybody. This is Jerry Furst with Traders Education Network with the Trade Log Update. We have Office Depot earnings that came out May 5th after the bell, and we have a trade that closed in the first few minutes of May 6th, resulting in a 10-minute trade for Traders Education Network. Go ahead and pause this video, read this, and if you agree, then continue. And so these are the charts as of May 5th at the close. We closed at about $4.16 on Office Depot. Not a very high-flying stock, but there were several reasons for me to go ahead and take a risk on this trade. One of my students that I coach and mentor brought my attention to this inverse head and shoulder pattern, and the more that I looked into it, the more interesting it looked, especially with earnings coming up and the fact that Office Depot had just finished their merger with Office Max. What really caught my eye were all of the inside trading taking place with the directors. Notice all the buys, March 7th, 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th, and this is quite a lot of money. $3 million, $7 million, $3.5 million worth of stock being bought by the directors and the chairman and CEO. Whether or not they knew ahead of time that they were going to be closing 400 stores and they knew that that was probably going to move the stock higher, that's a question that you have to ask yourself whether or not it's worth, I'm not going to file a complaint because I made some money on the trade. Uh, but anyway, here's the deal. Here's the actual trade transaction from my account, where you can see at 15:57 with 3 minutes left to go in the CBOE trading day. Went ahead and bought 10 for 37 cents, and the next morning at 9:36 with 6 minutes into the trading day, we went ahead and closed out at 70 cents, giving us a 76-cent profit. 76% profit. And so this is also what caught my eye. Looking at the open interest, this column right here, you can see that there's 21,000, 22,000 contracts of open interest for the January 2017 that's the January 2015. It's going to actually expire January 16th, 2014. The $5 call, and this is 16,000 contracts for the $4 call for the January option. Lots of open interest there. The smart money usually goes into the options. I decided to go ahead, instead of paying 25 cents or 75 cents, I split the difference and paid 37 cents over here for the $4.50 call for October, knowing that I was likely to get out a lot earlier. Could I have bought the 15-cent call for June? Yeah, I'm not going to go ahead and worry too much. I got my 76% gain. So again, here's the chart. And even on the 30-minute chart, you can just see how this is coiling up, ready to break resistance. And you can also see, oh, this is Monster Beverage. I'm sorry, wrong trade. Monster Beverage. You want to check the Traders Education Network website for that trade. We had over a 1,200% gain. So go to traderseducationnetwork.com and look at that. So here's a live chart. We went ahead and closed at $4.15, and notice that we have this Fibonacci cluster right here. We went and snapped right up to it at $4.65, and that's where I got out within the first 10 minutes. And notice that we continued to run higher up to $5.24 on Friday, where we had another Fibonacci resistance level. We closed right at the high on Friday. Notice that this stock, Office Depot, had been as high as $9 going all the way back out to 2010. It's been a long time since the stock's been up that high, but it looks like there is gravity pulling it back up. So let's go back to the PowerPoint here. And I want to bring your attention to the traderseducationnetwork.com website, where we have lots of other trades you can take a look at. Here's the Whole Foods trade. We had a 356% gain on Whole Foods market. We have more trades. That was another close in reverse. I'm still in this trade. Whole Foods dropped over 20% last week when they came out with earnings. I made over 356% profit on that trade and then reversed the trade expecting a bounce. So visit traderseducationnetwork.com and check the video out for that. And also we have I was explaining, yeah, here's the actual transactions there. And Monster Beverage, another trade, opened a calendar spread trade. We have over a 1,200% gain in Monster Beverage with a few contracts left that I'll probably close out in the next few days. So again, tune into the traderseducationnetwork.com website where you can view those trades in detail. Now, if you're interested in learning more about how I determine price targets, how I use my charts and technical analysis, if you're an experienced stock and option trader looking for a professional, non-biased second opinion, or if you just want to shorten the learning curve because you're more of a beginner, click on the banner on the top of the Traders Education Network website, fill out the survey form, and I'll be in touch with you as time permits, and we'll see if we have a good fit to work together. Most of my clients, my best clients, they have a passion, perseverance, and they practice. They value the education, and they appreciate the fact that they have a professional teacher and coach on call. So if you're interested in that, fill out the survey form. And if you live in South Florida and you're interested in a live 2-week trader training workshop, these are going to become more rare as I move to more virtual online workshops. Take advantage of this. Go ahead and fill out the survey form also, and I'll be in touch with you. What we teach at this workshop is high probability chart patterns, moving averages, entry and exit strategies, my step-by-step processes and checklists, candlestick reversal patterns, Fibonacci retracements and extensions, how to use and understand multiple time frame strategies, as well as hands-on training for free charting software that you can use anywhere, where you get also access to me one-on-one with private coaching and mentoring built into the package. It includes the live lecture and assignments, and 100% no risk guarantee if you're not satisfied. So go ahead and fill out the survey form on the top of the Traders Education Network website if you're interested in that, and learn how to go ahead and draw charts like this with price targets like this that can give you gains that you can see on the website. And this has been an Office Depot earnings trade update with the trade log update, a 10-minute trade. Jerry Furst for TradersEducationNetwork.com, telling you to fill out the survey form here, and I'll be in touch. And in the meantime, good trading, everybody. Bye-bye.